Hello internet peeps, this is Colin again. Just a very short video to show some customs I've done of new square bodies from M2. Plus I've been lucky enough to get this M2 Dodge COE from America today, and they're very rare. I'll tell you what we'll do. Difficult for me, but I'll do it. Johnny Lightning 77 Dodge, black and orange. I've been after that forever. A big thanks to John for that. Very kind of him. And you can see, not very clearly, see if I can tip it. That's the underneath of the car. But when I get my better setup, I will film them better. But let me know what you think. A couple of new ones from York as well, from my mate John in York. The red one, the blue one there. Okay, and I will show this new garage better at a later date. Okay, bye.